Welcome to the beautiful countryside of Thailand, where each jackfruit is more than just a fruit. It's a testament to the patience and love for the land held by the people here. Today, we'll follow Thai farmers on their journey from tiny seeds to harvesting these giant jackfruits. This is a story of dedication, tradition, and pride, passed down through generations. In Thailand, every jackfruit carries the sweet taste and the story of meticulous care. Join us as we begin the journey to discover the process of growing, nurturing, and harvesting this unique fruit. It all starts with a seed, carrying not just potential, but a legacy. These seeds, chosen from the juiciest and healthiest jackfruits of the previous harvest, hold the promise of another bountiful season. In the skilled hands of these farmers, each seed is nurtured with care, ensuring the continuation of a tradition passed down through generations. These seeds are lovingly nurtured, placed into hand-prepared soil beds where they receive just the right amount of sunlight, water, and attention. As they sprout into delicate seedlings, their journey towards becoming the sweet giants of the field truly begins. Under the watchful eyes of the farmers, these seedlings grow strong and resilient. Once ready, they are transplanted into the fields, where their growth will continue until they are ready to bear fruit. Planting a jackfruit tree is a labor of love, rooted in tradition. Each seedling is placed in the ground with precision, ensuring it has enough space to grow and thrive. With patience, the farmers work tirelessly, using techniques refined over generations. Weeding around the base of the trees is an essential part of the care process. The farmers meticulously remove each weed, keeping the soil around the trees clean and well ventilated, allowing the trees to absorb all the nutrients they need to grow strong. This time-consuming and labor-intensive work is crucial to ensuring the jackfruit trees don't have to compete with weeds for nutrients. With such careful attention, the jackfruit trees grow stronger each day, preparing for a bountiful harvest. From watering and fertilizing to weeding, every step contributes to nurturing the sweet jackfruit that will soon reach everyone's hands. After years of care, the trees finally bear their bounty. The jackfruits grow to impressive sizes, sometimes reaching up to 90 centimeters in length and weighing as much as 30 kilograms. But the real art lies in knowing when they are ready. The farmers listen for that perfect hollow sound as they tap the rind, signaling that the fruit is at its peak. Harvesting jackfruit is a delicate art that requires both precision and experience, honed over many seasons. The process starts early in the morning when the air is cool and the light is just right. With a skilled hand, the farmer uses a sharp knife to make a clean, careful cut at the stem. Precision is key to avoid damaging the fruit or the tree. Once cut, the jackfruit is gently lowered or caught by another farmer, ensuring it doesn't bruise upon landing. Harvesting jackfruit is more than just a task. It's the culmination of months of hard work. The jackfruits are then loaded onto carts, ready for their journey to the market or processing facilities. Each fruit is a testament to the farmer's dedication and skill, a moment of pride and fulfillment. Once harvested, these jackfruits make their way to the heart of Thailand's vibrant street markets. Here, the fruit is transformed into a popular street food, where vendors skillfully slice and package the sweet golden flesh. The aroma of ripe jackfruit fills the air, drawing locals and tourists alike to experience the taste of Thailand. Street food is where the true essence of jackfruit is appreciated. Sold fresh, this fruit is a favorite snack, known for its unique sweetness and satisfying texture. It's a simple pleasure that connects the people of Thailand to their land and traditions. Thai jackfruit has long been a favorite fresh fruit, loved by both locals and tourists for its sweet, aromatic flavor. However, to extend its shelf life and create a delicious snack, jackfruit undergoes a modern processing method in factories. Here, carefully selected ripe jackfruits are sliced and then dried with precision. The drying process preserves the unique flavor of the jackfruit, transforming it into a convenient and nutritious treat that is enjoyed worldwide. Before we wrap up our journey with the incredible jackfruit, a true tropical treasure, let's dive into another fascinating fruit. Welcome to today's exciting journey, discovering one of the most controversial yet beloved fruits, the durian. In this video, we'll dive deep into each stage of growing, harvesting, and processing durian, showing you the skill and effort behind every delicious bite. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it smoothly. Just be ready to hold your nose if you need to. Durian trees aren't easy to please. To get those ripe golden durians we love, farmers have to start with the basics: tilling the soil, selecting the best seeds, and nurturing the young trees for years. It takes at least 5 to 7 years for a durian tree to fully mature and bear fruit. When the season comes, each tree can yield between 50 to 100 fruits, and if you're lucky, one durian can weigh up to 15 pounds, enough for a sweet feast. But growing durian isn't just about waiting for the trees to grow. Farmers have to carefully manage water, fertilizer, and especially pests. A small mistake could lead to a ruined harvest or poor quality fruit. Growing durian requires patience, deep knowledge, and a lot of love for the crop. Now that the durians are ripe and ready, it's time to harvest. And if you think it's as easy as picking apples, think again. Harvesting durian is an art, not just because the fruit is heavy and covered in spikes, but also because they grow on trees as tall as 50 feet. The farmer has to climb up, pick the ripe fruit, and cut it with precision. One wrong move and the durian could fall and cause more than just bruised fruit. It could cause bruises on you too. It may look simple, but each season, farmers climb dozens of trees and harvest hundreds of durians in a single day. On average, one farmer can harvest between 200 and 300 durians per day, depending on the height of the trees and their skill. And if all the trees ripen at once, it's a race against time to get them all down. After harvesting, the next step is transporting the durians to the warehouse. But it's not just about tossing them onto a truck. Durian fruits are very sensitive to impact. If not handled carefully, you could end up with a truckload of smashed durians. They need to be stacked carefully to avoid damage. Each truck can carry between 3,000 to 6,000 pounds of durians, and if not done right, you might have a truck that smells like durian way too soon. This may seem simple, but it actually requires a lot of calculation to ensure that the durians stay fresh and intact by the time they reach consumers. Any rough handling could damage the fruit's texture and taste, so every trip must be meticulously planned. While durian is popular as a whole fruit, did you know it's also the star ingredient in many street food creations? From durian smoothies and ice cream to durian cakes, the unique flavor of this fruit has inspired countless mouth-watering dishes. But be careful. Not everyone can handle the distinctive smell of durian, especially in crowded places. Though the smell may be controversial, the rich, creamy flavor of durian keeps people coming back for more. Just one bite, and you'll understand why durian is called the king of fruits. And if you think durian only comes in whole fruit form, think again. To bring durians to global markets, they must go through a careful processing procedure. In modern factories, durians are peeled, the flesh is separated, and the fruit is neatly packaged. These factories can process thousands of durians a day, and with advanced technology, each piece of durian is kept fresh and flavorful. Factories can process up to 10,000 durians per day, with each fruit carefully inspected for quality before packaging and distribution. Thanks to this process, you can enjoy durian anywhere, anytime, without worrying about those pesky spikes. If you've ever tried durian, let us know in the comments below. How do you like to enjoy it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys of your favorite foods.